We're here with our bird feeders that we're going to pick for one of our feeding stations. We're going to just do one this time. I do have 3 possible setups, but we're going to do just one so I can concentrate all the birds in that little spot, but giving them different options. So these are the options that we're going to use. We got a tray feeder, a suet holder, a hopper, and our granddaddy tube feeder. So we're just gonna wash, soap, a little bleach, scrub them down real good, and also our water feeder too. I'll have the feeder here, fountain there, so where I can get pictures of our perch that we made, and also all the interesting things, because they're in the trees right now. So we're gonna get this done so we can sit down and get some pictures for the evening. So there you have it. We have everything set up. We have our big tube feeder, granddaddy, and we have our suet holder, and then our tray. So that gives us 3 different platforms or mechanisms to where the birds can come and find something to eat. And I'm gonna get out the way. They're chirping and ready to go. So we got our camera set up right there, and let's see what we can see. Birds of Nature Tours, like, subscribe, share with your friends. We got plenty coming up. Thanks again for everything. Peace out.